Today, I'm going to teach you how to filter emails in Outlook. This is a super useful feature that helps you quickly find specific emails based on different criteria, whether you're looking for unread messages, emails with attachments, or something more specific. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. First things first, you'll need to start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. Once you've entered your credentials, give it a moment to fully load all your emails. This initial loading is important because you want all your messages to be indexed before you start filtering through them. Depending on how many emails you have, this might take a few seconds, so just be patient while everything syncs up. Once your email has been loaded and you can see your inbox, it's time to start the filtering process. Navigate to your Home menu, which is located on the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are positioned. You'll see several tabs there, so go ahead and click on the Home tab if you're not already there. This is where most of your email management tools live, and it's your central hub for organizing and sorting through your messages. Now that you've opened the Home menu, look at the right side of the menu bar. Here you'll spot a Filter Email option under the Find section. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear showing you several quick filtering options. These include Unread, Has Attachments, Category, Flagged, Important, and Sent to You. These preset filters are designed to help you quickly narrow down your emails based on the most common criteria people search for. For example, if you need to see only emails with attachments, just click that option and Outlook will instantly filter your inbox to show only those messages. However, if the filtering criteria you need isn't available in that quick list, don't worry. Simply click on More Filters and you'll be directed to the search bar located at the top part of your screen. From here, you can type in exactly what you're looking for. Whether it's emails from a specific sender, emails containing certain keywords, or messages from a particular date range, Outlook will filter and index your search results in real time. This gives you much more control and precision over finding exactly what you need. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to filter emails in Outlook using both the quick filter options and the advanced search functionality. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.